Hello friends, we are in Kuressaare, and one of the main highlights of the city is this medieval fortress, actually early medieval fortress, which was built more than 700 years ago by German knights who came to Estonian lands to baptize local pagan tribes, tribe of Esti and other tribes which lived here. The castle was built in the late Gothic style, was rebuilt only a few times, and was used in the wars, in the Northern War, in Livonian War, and also during the Second World War. And it's a miracle that it remained in its authentic original shape. And the local authorities, when they turned it into museum, they didn't have to rebuild it much. So today it's a museum of Estonian history, and also it shows the way of life of Teutonic knights when they approached and conquered these lands. So still in Kuressaare, the capital of Saaremaa, and here on the shore, on the beaches, there is an impressive statue of two strong people, Suur Tol and his wife Piret. These two strong people lived long ago. Tol was a fisherman and also a strong and a big man who used to help people who were in need, and his wife Piret used to take care of their home and also to help other people. It is common among islanders to help each other, so they reflected the tradition of mutual help, and they deserved historical memory and also a modern built statue when both of them they hold a boat full of fish, which is also a symbol of a good life and strong soul. Now on the other side you can see hotels. There are more and more hotels around, and Kuressaare is also known as a spa capital of Saaremaa, of Estonian islands. Narrow streets full of coffee shops, souvenir shops. We are still in Kuressaare, the capital of Saaremaa. Everything is fixed, colored, plastered. The street stones, the cobblestones are replaced with the model panels. Really nice atmosphere, good service at the restaurants, and we are getting closer to the main square, to the town hall square of Kuressaare. So you see, quite a wide and pleasant place to be. A little fountain and two-floor houses around here. So it's a small place. Kuressaare has about 13,000 people living in it, and but for Estonia, with a total population of less than 1.3 million people, 13,000 people is quite a lot. Now you see kids are playing with the water on the main square, and we are going to eat in one of the restaurants here on the main square.